Compound interest. Compound interest is calculated on the original or principal value and accumulated past interest. When borrow money from bank, we pay interest. We need to understand how compound interest works, so we will know interest you earn or how much cost principal amount of loan. This is some formula that we use in compound interest. Number 1 is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power n. S is future value and P principal value, I periodic interest, and n is number of interest. The second formula we use is I equal to S negative P. I is difference between future value and principal value. The last formula we have S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power n. Or we can use P equal to S divided by bracket 1 plus I bracket n. And lastly, we have P equal to S bracket 1 plus I bracket minus n.
Question 2A. 5 years ago, Marina deposited 5,000 ringgit in an account that pays 3.2% compounded quarterly. Calculate the interest received. We use the formula S equals to P open brackets 1 plus I close bracket power of n. So here we got T equals to 5, P equals to 5,000 ringgit, n equals to M multiplies T, which is 4 times 5 equals to 20. I equals to K over M, which is 0.032 over 4 equals to 0.008. So we put that in the formula. 5,000 ringgit 1 plus 0.008 in a bracket power of 20 equals to 5,863 ringgit 82 cents. To calculate the interest received is I equals to S minus P, which is 5,863 ringgit 82 cents minus 5,000 ringgit equals to 863 ringgit 82 cents.
Alright, moving on to question B. 6 years ago, Wahid invested 3,000 in an account that offered an interest rate of 6.5% compound monthly. Today, the rate of interest has changed 5% compound every 2 months. He added another 2,000 into the account. What is the total amount? First of all, find S1 using the formula of P bracket 1 plus I powered by n. So 3,000 bracket 1 plus 0.065 over 12. Powered by 72, so the answer will be 4,426.28. Next, you have to find the P new. So to find the P new, you have to plus S1 plus the new added amount into the account, which is 2,000. So the answer will be 6,426.28 cents. So to get the amount after 3 years, which is S2, you have to use the P new, which is 6,426.28. bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 6 powered by 18. The sum out will be 7,461.63 cents. The last one will be interest. To find interest, use the formula of S minus P. So 7,461.63 cents minus 6,426.28 cents. The answer will be 1,035.35 cents. That's all from me.
Let's move on to annuity. Annuity is a series of equal payments made at the end of equal intervals. Example of annuity is a short rental, insurance policy, and installment payment. That has two formulas for annuity, which is for savings and loan. For saving, we use the formula of future value, which is S equals to R open brackets 1 plus I close bracket power of n minus 1 over I. And to find interest for savings, I equals to S minus R open brackets and close brackets. The formula present value to find loan A equals to out open bracket 1 minus 1 plus I power of minus n over I close bracket, and to find the interest for loan I equals to out open bracket and close bracket minus A.
Question 4. Jimmy borrowed 10,000 at 6% compound monthly. Jimmy paid 443 and 21 as monthly payment. Find the number of monthly payment to settle Jimmy loan. In this question, we will use formula A equal to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket minus n divided by I. So, 10,000 equal to 443 and 21 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12 minus n divided by 0.06 divided by 12. The answer will be 0.1128 equal to 1 minus bracket 1.005 bracket minus n. And then we will write log bracket 1.005 power minus n equal to log 0.8872, and n will be log 0.8872 divided by log 1.005. The last will be n equal to 24.
Question 4b. Hamidah buys a condominium for 80,000 and she pays 10% down payment. The balance is to be paid in equal monthly installments for 30 years. The first installment is due 1 month after the date of purchase and interest rate is 4.2% compounded monthly. 1 Roman, calculate the monthly payment. 2 Roman, find the interest charge. 3 Roman, immediately after paying for 20 years, Hamidah wants to settle the loan in full. How much is the amount that needs to pay? 1 Roman, 80,000 times 10% equal RM 8,000. 80,000 minus 8,000 equal RM 72,000. S equal R in bracket 1 plus I power by n minus 1 over I. 72,000 equal R in bracket 1 plus 0.042 power by 360 divide 12 minus 1 divide 0.042 divide 12, and the answer is RM 110 cents. 2 Roman, I equal S minus NR. 72,000 minus 360 in bracket 100, and the answer is RM 36,000. 3 Roman, N equal 30 minus 20, the answer is 10. A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power by negative n bracket over I. 100.10 bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.042 over 12 bracket power by negative 10 bracket over 0.042 over 12, and the answer is RM 982.